Hi everyone, and welcome to our leadership module number 4. We're going to focus on that design project and promoting population health practice in ethical leadership. With that being said, in a very broad overview, we're going to take a look at the American Organization for Nursing Leadership, their competencies and goals for population health, and we're going to share and examine each other's population-focused design project. So as we move forward, we are going to examine our system focus and thinking about things in a little different way. And I'm sure that you will enjoy the concept of taking that step back and really focusing on those upstream factors that impact health. And this is especially interesting because this is a progression of Rebecca Oney's work and examining where she started with her original idea and how the evolution of the process and what we really need to focus on as healthcare leaders moving forward in examining health and promoting those outcomes in health. And again, we're looking forward now. We're looking forward at how we can impact what is going to happen in the future. And the TED Talk is relatively abstract. However, it gives us good things to start thinking about and to shift our thinking how things may look very different in the future. And here are the population health competencies. This is something that you will be using in your forum. And again, I hope you find this to be very valuable in examining ways to change how we practice and changing from the inside out and having leaders really take the helm in moving forward in some of the changes that are necessary to re-envision and be the change in healthcare. So with that, we are actually going to recap some of the readings that you've already done in our Cup and Curly textbook, just to revisit those because they're helpful in the population-focused design project. And then we're also going to look at the role of accreditation in validating population-based care. And here, of course, is our assignment link for our population-focused design project and our content folder. In our very final forum, we're going to reflect on those population health competencies, and you're going to share your PowerPoint, your voiceover presentation on your population-focused design project. And I'm asking that each of you review at least 2 other design projects as well. And then also choose at least 2 of the following and really, if you would, reflect on how everything connects together when we're examining population health and some of the facets that you've covered earlier on in your program, namely the strategic plan outline. How did that tick and tie? How does population health correlate with your role? And how can it correlate with your role? So take a look at these prompts and please choose 2 of those to reply to. And then now it's time to reflect on the program as a whole. If you would, share your words of wisdom and maybe some particularly striking experiences that you may have had along the way, and I look forward to sharing your insights as you have expanded throughout the past several semesters, and it's truly been a joy to work with you. But I look forward to your thoughts and our conversations in our final discussion board or forum.